Hey everyone, this is Shawn Hayes and welcome to another episode of Money Control TV, where we talk about all things money, how to earn it, how to sow it, how to save it, and definitely how to enjoy it. So if you're catching this video, it's because you want to know what happens to my debt once I die. But before we dive in, make sure that you hit the subscription button. Make sure that you hit that bell notification so you'll be the first one to be notified when I upload a new video. And if you already subscribed, welcome back to the Money Control TV, where we talk about all things money. So the question is, what happens to my debt once I die? Let me tell you, your debt do not just go away, but it does not automatically go to your loved ones, right? It doesn't automatically go to your loved one. What it does do is go to a probate court. And this is just a court, a court where it handles deceased assets, taxes, there's debts, and then distributes to the beneficiary. And so this is why it's so important when we talk about, leaving a financial legacy, that we go ahead and pay off as much debt as possible, because what they do is use your deceased's asset to pay off the remaining debt. So just say mom and dad passed away and they own their home, right? The home is paid for, but then they have all these credit card debts. They have these other minor debt monkeys on their backs. What they would do is sell that house to pay off that debt, and you would get the remaining, right? So same if you're trying to leave something for your children. So this is why it's important to get as much debt wiped out as possible so that you can leave them something. And so again, the debt doesn't automatically go to the loved one. It uses your assets to pay off the remaining debt. Now, just say you didn't have any assets that you didn't, own in your house outright. You didn't have anything left over. So the debt monkeys just simply don't get paid. But we're looking as leaving a financial legacy and not a financial burden. And so the only way that the debt would be passed on to the loved one is if they shared a loan, if they shared credit cards, if they shared a business together, if they shared a home together and their inheritance on that deed, then when that other deceased person will go ahead and handle that debt. But again, you guys, if we're trying to leave something, let's go ahead and pay off as much debt monkeys as we can. And so if you don't even know where to go ahead over to moneycontrolacademy.com, grab the Ditch the Debt course. I will put the link down at the bottom so you can begin to get those debt monkeys off your back. That was never meant to be the lifetime partner. So again, debt just doesn't go away. The only debt does go away when you die is your student loans. But if you got credit card debt, things like that, it doesn't automatically go to your loved one. You will have to go to the probate, and they would handle that deceased assets. If they owe debt, taxes, and then the beneficiary would be the last to be distributed out. And so if they got all these debt, and then you go to probate court, and then all at the end of the day, you only get $10. Right. So, just think about that. Again, go to moneycontrolacademy.com, grab the Ditch the Debt course where you can go ahead and get those debt monkeys off your back. So I hope this video was wonderful. Like, comment down below, right? Down below what you think about this video. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button, that bell button, so that you know when the next time I upload another video, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.